Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Magical World. Today I'm here with a snake plant, the two different varieties of snake plant. One is Sansevieria jalankia and another is Sansevieria laurenti I. So this snake plant, as you see the yellow border is there. This snake plant also called as mother-in-law's tongue. So I don't know why it's called as mother-in-law's tongue, because it doesn't I do not feel good to say that, call it as mother-in-law tongue, but that's okay. So these are two different variety of snake plants. So today I'll tell you everything about how to care the indoor snake plant and how to report it also. So as you can see, like here the plant is, here it's a small pot. So I have propagated this plant from a mother plant, so in a small pot, and now they have grown well, so I'm planning to repot it. So it's always better if you take a bigger pot to repot the snake plant, because snake plant has a tendency to spread its root. As when I'll repot it, you'll see how they are spreading their roots. So let's begin. First, the soil quality. Like snake plant, you can grow snake plant in any kind of soil. If it's with cocoa-weed, vermicompost and normal garden soil, you mix it, that also okay. If you mix the normal garden soil, say 70% normal garden soil with 30% vermicompost, then also this it will work perfectly okay. So this plant basically they do not like too much care. So this is the soil. Next is the propagation. There are three ways to propagate: from water, if you are propagating this plant from water, or you have to cut it here, like here, and you have to put it under water, and after every 7 days you have to change the water. Within a couple of months you can see that the roots started coming. Now you can grow it. See, my this plant, I have grown this plant from this single plant, this single leaf. So it was a very long leaf, but I wanted to be a short one, that's why half I have cut, and I have planted this in this pot, and now you can see it has spread it like this. So that is the second one from the soil, and third one from the division that I am going to do it today. I'll divide this plants from a root, and I'll plant it here. So if you want from this here, 1 2 3 4 plants are there. So if you want, you can plant this 4 plants in 4 different pots. So I have taken this pot because I am going to plant 3 plants, and one I'll leave it here. So first I'll try to take out this plant from here. So here it has grown a lot, so we'll take it out and divide the roots, so that it will easily separate, and then I'll plant it here. Now as you can see that this is the single plant, this is the one variety of a plant. This is with the yellow leaves, but you can see the other small baby or snake plants have started growing, but this is of different variety. I have planted only this one, this variety, but from that I have got the 2 different variety of snake plant. As you can see this one, so that is the best part. From this one variety I have got the one more variety of snake plant. So here what I'll do, here you can see they are joined. This one I am going to keep it here in this pot only, I'll keep, and then this I am going to plant, and also this one. So here I have taken the soil. Now I'll mix vermicompost and coco peat, the mixture of vermicompost and coco peat, and also the more garden soil. And here also you can see that the small root plant has started coming from here. So like this, from they spread the roots, and from roots the new plants, baby plants started coming. So this also I'm going to keep it in this pot only, and this also is the same pot. So here is the mixture of more garden soil, coco peat and vermicompost. I'll mix it, and then I'll plant it in this pot. So here the that repotting is already done. Now I have planted this one, I left here, and one baby one I have kept it here. So now I'll put water and wait until the whole soil will get totally dry. So, and here you can see this one is such a small pot, and same here I have planted this one, the yellow color. I have one with a yellow border, and from that I have found, see, such a long snake plant. The long leaves I have found for and the pot size you can see it's very small. So I'm not going to repot this bit because this I have made to decorate my living room. So friends, now regarding its care, I want to just add few tips. So after propagation it's done, then you have to I've already explained how to propagate it. Now regarding the sunlight, so this plant we need the huge bright light. If you keep this plant under direct sunlight for for an hour in during a pleasant weather season, then it's not going to harm. So basically they need very bright light. But if you are keeping this plant inside a dirt corner, then this will be like this, but it will not grow very tall. So it's always better, if you are keeping this plant to decorate your living room, then keep it in front of the door or glass window, so that it will get the indirect sunlight, the proper indirect sunlight. Now next is the water. So regarding is watering, you have to check whenever the the soil is totally dry. Now you can see that here if I press it, you can see it's sticking in my fingers. So whenever the plant is 100% dry, the soil is 100% dry, then only you put water. And never mist this plant, because spraying water may harm its growth, because it's a kind of desert plant, and it's a kind of succulent also. So never mist, only just whenever is the 100% dry, just pour little water. You no need to put lots of water so that the water will come from the drainage hole, no need. Just give some water, say 70% water you have to add whenever it's too dry. Next is the pest. Pest is, this plant is very immune to pest, because you will never get any problem with pest. So since it's a kind of toxic plant, so you have to take care of like from dogs or the small kids, so that they will not go and touch and break the any leaf of the plant. And regarding its yes, this is the NASA certified air purifying plant, which is very useful to there are some toxins in our air, so it's very useful to purify those toxins from the air, which is responsible for some dangerous diseases like cancer and respiratory disease. So in my other video I have explained how snake plant can help to make your health better, and the medicinal value of snake plants, that I have made another video with all my snake plants. So friends, I think I have covered all the areas for its care. So two important things we have to take care, that is the sunlight and water. And no, they do not need anything. And if you see that the roots are coming, lots of roots are coming from the down hole, then only you have to repot it, otherwise no need. So, and when you see that the tip of the plant getting dry here, so that means you need to put some water. So that's why the tips getting dry. Otherwise this is the best indication. But refrain yourself from putting water daily, because if you put water daily, then the plant may get dry because of the excessive putting water. So if you keep them without water for a long time also, say it's 100% dry, but 2 more days it will not get water, then also nothing is to worry, it's not going to dry. After 3-4 days also you can put some water. So friends, it's all about the snake plant, and it's a very easy care plant, and they grow very fast.